This video is going to go through how we made all these fun toys and kind of the design process we went through to make that. I guess we start out with the idea of we wanted to use these little RFID tags to have an RFID reader read that and change the color of kind of a opaque object and play kind of animal sounds of that. And to start out, we had a bunch of paper drawings of different ideas of what we would like to do, and our kids helped us out with this, of what types of animals we would like to create, and also what types of colors we would like to use in there. The idea being that we would like all the colors of the rainbow, so that ended up with a red monkey and some other odd colored blue bears. But so starting with the RFID tag, using a 3D printer, we had to find out what the different tolerances were, and this is kind of our RFID tag test bed of how far we could reach the tag with the antenna, and then designing the different characters in Blender. We simply screwed them off and allowed it to print pretty easily on the print bed. But screwing those on, and then we take the little tag, put the tag in there, and then you just screw it back on, and that allowed us to create all of these different creatures. And we have a yellow lion, orange fox, red monkey, like we said earlier, green dragon, a little purple and pink alien Metroid looking creature, blue bear, a snow owl with an orange beak, and this kind of rainbow colored bug or caterpillar. And what we would do with those is we would then turn on this hive, a little on and off switch at the bottom. You can hopefully hear the noise and see the colors. What we do is if we take this yellow lion, you can see that it changes the brightness of the lights with the intensity of the sound that's going through. And for the aliens and all these other creatures, we can see that depending on which entry point we put it through, the balls will bounce around and jump out of different things. And if we put the same one in multiple times, there are different audio sounds for it to pick at random which one it wants to play. And at the top you can kind of see the pattern we used to print out. There's 4 different holes at different orientations, and then there's 4 different exits it can do. And you can kind of see the LEDs up there when we have a USB charging port if we want to change it out. And then we're seeing there that it's presenting a low battery, and each one of these little animals has a home to go through in there. So when it's time to clean up, we can just put all of the creatures back in their home and turn it off. And that's all.